Hola y bienvenido to Learn Spanish Libre. Are you ready to learn Spanish? If you are ready to learn, I am ready to teach you. Today, you will learn how to conjugate the verb ser. In English, it is to be in the present tense. Let's begin. So first of all, conjugating is changing the form of the verb so that it matches its subject. In this way, we will know whom we're talking about or which person we are talking about. In Spanish, just like in English, a verb has different forms to tell you who the person or subject is. In Spanish, it is very essential to learn the conjugations because by doing so, you will learn how to speak very well and become fluent. Okay, so subjects or subject pronouns in Spanish are as follows. I already gave a class on this, so if you want to go back to this one, because I'm just going to go real quick on this one here. So, yo is I, you, tú, he, él, she, ella, you, usted, in a formal form. Nosotros is we, or females. We or females are nosotras. I'm sorry, nosotros it's all males in we. We or females is nosotras. They or males is ellos. They or females is ellas. You in plural, in a formal way, is ustedes. Just to let you know, do not worry so much about all this big long list of subject pronouns. Towards the middle of this lesson, I shorten all these so to make it easier for you to learn it easy and quick and very efficient. Let's continue. Alright, so now let's conjugate. I am, yo soy. Yo soy. Yo soy. Do not forget to repeat 3 times after me. You are. Tú eres. Tú eres. Tú eres. He, she is. I put this all together because in Spanish it is all the same. Let's continue. He, she, or you is. Él es. Él es. Él es. Ella es. Ella es. Usted es. Usted es. As you can tell, all these 3 pronouns use the same conjugated verb. So that's why I put them together. And this is how I'm going to keep them together for the rest of the whole class and classes. Okay, let's continue. Same thing here, nosotros, nosotras, okay? We are. Nosotros somos. Nosotros somos. Nosotros somos. Nosotras somos. Nosotras somos. Nosotras somos. As you can tell, nosotros, nosotras, nosotros or males, nosotras all females use the same conjugated verb, somos. Very good. Same thing here. As I told you earlier, I am going to shorten it, so I am doing it. They are. Ellos son. Ellos son. Ellos son. Ellas son. Ellas son. Ellas son. Ustedes son. Ustedes son. Don't forget to repeat after me. And this is how I have shortened it down to only 5 lines. And as you can tell, these are the singulars here, and the last two on the bottom are the plurals. So let's go ahead and repeat them again now, since I have them all broken down. 3 times. Yo soy. Yo soy. Yo soy. Don't forget to repeat. Tú eres. Tú eres. Tú eres. Él es. Él es. Él es. Ella es. Ella es. Usted es. Usted es. Nosotros somos. Nosotros somos. Nosotros somos. Nosotras somos. Nosotras somos. Nosotras somos. Ellos son. Ellos son. Ellos son. Ellas son. Ellas son. Ellas son. Ustedes son. Ustedes son. Ustedes son. Very good, very good. Good progress. As I told you earlier, él, ella, usted use the same verb, es, same conjugation. Nosotros, nosotras somos, same conjugation. Ellos, ellas, ustedes, same conjugation, son. So these are how you need to memorize them. This is how you need to remember them. Okay? Very good. Let's move on. Now let's do some sentences. My best friend is from Cuba. Mi mejor amiga es de Cuba. Now I'm going to read a little bit faster because these words you should know them already from previous lessons. Mi mejor amiga es de Cuba. Mi mejor amiga es de Cuba. 3 times. Pedro and Juan are from Mexico. Pedro y Juan son de México. Pedro y Juan son de México. Pedro y Juan son de México. Very good, very good. Now, there are a lot of things that happen here. I am going to show you how to say the negative way, and also how the subject pronoun disappear on the second sentence. English version. My friend is not from Mexico. She is from Cuba. Spanish. Mi amiga no es de México. Es de Cuba. Mi amiga no es de México. Es de Cuba. Mi amiga no es de México. Es de Cuba. All right, so let me explain here. In order for you to make this sentence negative, you add the word no to the left of the verb, the conjugated verb. So when you say mi amiga no es, you are saying that she is not from Mexico. That's one of the changes that I did right here. Now the other change, as you can tell, I omitted the subject pronoun here to the left of the verb conjugated es. When you say es de Cuba, the person who is receiving the message should know that you are talking about your friend. So it's in English you have to write she. In Spanish you don't have to write ella es de Cuba. All you have to write down or speak it es de Cuba. Okay, very good. Let's move on. Now we have an activity listening. Okay, so I'm going to read it a couple of times, one kind of slow and the other one a little bit fast. But I just want you to listen and listen to the tone, listen to the language, listen to the verbs that I'm using and everything, okay? And then you can go ahead and stop the video and you can read it on your own. Hola, yo soy María Sánchez. Soy de España. Mi amiga de trabajo es de México. Nosotras somos amigas de trabajo. Juan y Pedro son de los Estados Unidos. Son mejores amigos. Good. Now I am going to read it a little bit faster. In a normal way, I should say. Hola, yo soy María Sánchez. Soy de España. Mi amiga de trabajo es de México. Nosotras somos amigas de trabajo. Juan y Pedro son de los Estados Unidos. Son mejores amigos. Very, very well. You are doing great and great progress. This is the end of the class, and I will remind you to subscribe if you are listening and if you watch this video. Actually, if you watched it and you learned something, subscribe, because I have just barely started doing these lessons to teach people how to speak Spanish and of course write it as well. Don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends, and so you can continue getting your free classes. Hasta la próxima.